Hi, hello everybody. This is your Srinivasa. Welcome to Srinivasa Academy. My dear students, నేను మీకు ముందుగానే ప్రామిస్ చేసినట్టుగా ఎవ్రీ డే ఒక అద్భుతమైన కాన్సెప్ట్, అద్భుతమైన షార్ట్ కట్తో ముందుకు వస్తానని చెప్పాను. సో అదేవిధంగా ఈరోజు కూడా మీ ముందుకు ఒక అద్భుతమైన కాన్సెప్ట్తో ముందుకు రావడం జరిగింది. సో అదేంటంటే మీరు మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో ఏ టాపిక్ తీసుకున్నా డైరెక్ట్ ఆర్ ఇండైరెక్ట్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయ్యే ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ అదే quadratic equations. Dear friends, we know very well that quadratic equations basic concepts. Almost all we don't want to use any of the formula 99%. If there is any formula, I will write there only, but basic information about quadratic equations which is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Sum of the roots taken one at a time, alpha plus beta minus b by a, s2 alpha beta is equals to c by a. These are basic relations about quadratic equations. Okay, and also formation of a quadratic equation. Suppose roots are alpha comma beta, the quadratic equation is x minus alpha into x minus beta is equals to 0. Simply, or otherwise after the simplification it can also be written as x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. So these are the basic concepts. Okay, and you do observe that in the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, in the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, if the coefficients a plus b plus c is equals to 0, sum of the coefficients is 0, we can also write this condition without loss of generality. A into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c is equals to 0. Very clear, it is looking like ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So x is equals to 1 is 1 of the root. 1 of the root. X is equals to 1 is 1 of the root. Let us assume other root be beta. So 1 comma beta are the roots. Then what will be happening? 1 into beta will be product of the roots. So beta is equals to, we are getting c by a. Dear students, do observe that in a quadratic equation, if in a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, coefficients are related with this condition. Roots are 1 comma c by a. Roots are 1 comma c by a. Okay, so this is the condition we need to remember. In the same way, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, along with the condition a minus b plus c is equals to 0, we can develop this by writing a into minus 1 whole square plus b into minus 1 plus c is equals to 0 without loss of generality. That is also looking like ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, do observe that x is equals to minus 1 is a root. This is one of the root, and let us assume other root be beta. That's why minus 1 comma beta are roots. So minus 1 into beta will be product of the roots, that is c by a. Beta is equals to minus c by a. Okay, in this we have learned We have learned in the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. If a plus b plus c is equals to 0, then the roots are 1 comma c by a. Suppose in the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. If a minus b plus c is equals to 0, then the roots are minus 1 comma minus c by a. So these are the two relations we have learned. And of course, actually, to find the roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, to find the roots, this is the fundamental formula. But whenever coefficients are too large, it is not convenient to use this formula. If they are related with these two conditions, directly we can say roots are this. Okay? And also if the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 are in the ratio m is to n, then the condition mn b square is equals to m plus n whole square into ac. This is the condition. Okay. So these are the basic things about quadratic equations. Let's move on to problems. There, if we get any new formula, I will write there only. Okay. Let's go to problem number 1. The roots of 2024x square plus 2025x minus 4049 is equals to 0 are, see here, not easy to use x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a formula. It's not convenient to use. Then how to solve the equation? Do observe that coefficients a is equals to 2024, b is equals to 2025, c is equals to minus 4049, a plus b plus c is equals to 0 here. Therefore, roots are 1 comma c by a is minus 4049 by 2024. So directly we can guess the roots without using any formula. Okay. Let's move on to question number 2. See the question number 2. The roots of 2024x square plus 4049x plus 2025 is equals to 0 are. Here also coefficients are two large numbers. That's why in order to find the roots, first you do observe the relation between the coefficients. A relation between the coefficients. See, a minus b plus c is equals to 0. Therefore, roots are minus 1 comma minus c by a. That's why minus 1 comma minus 2025 by 2024. Okay. So this is the way to find roots of such quadratic equations. Here also we are not going to use minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Next problem. Problem number 3. See the question. If the roots of a minus b x square plus b minus c x plus c minus a is equals to 0 are equal, I think here roots are equal, then b comma a comma c are in which progression? AP, GP, HP, AGP. Do you observe the question? Roots of this quadratic equation are equal. Whenever the roots are equal, we have a condition that discriminant is equals to 0, but we are not going to use discriminant is equals to 0. Coefficients are unknowns and lengthy calculations. That's why sum of the coefficients will be a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. These are gets cancelled, which is equals to 0. In this case, roots are 1 comma c by a will be c minus a by a minus b. And however, roots are equal given. Roots are equal means 1 is equals to c minus a by a minus b. Cross multiplication a minus b is equals to c minus a. 2a is equals to b plus c. Therefore, b comma a comma c are in AP. This is arithmetic progression condition. 2a is equals to b plus c. b comma a comma c are in AP. Simple, without using b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Okay. Let's move on to question number 4. If alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, then alpha cube plus beta cube by alpha power minus 2 by beta power minus 2. Do observe that in order to solve this question, we need to remember what is alpha cube plus beta cube formula. Okay, denominator alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2 can be written as 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. By taking LCM, we get alpha square plus beta square by alpha square into beta square in the denominator. So there we need to remember alpha square plus beta square formula also. It's not easy. That's why to do such problems, okay, there is a simple shortcut. Put alpha is equals to 2, beta is equals to 3. Alpha is equals to 2, beta is equals to 3. What will be the quadratic equation? X square minus of alpha plus beta into x, 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. We need to compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. While comparing, a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 5, c is equals to 6. Okay. Do observe that. Question: alpha cube plus beta cube by alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2 will be, we know very well that alpha is equals to 2, beta is equals to 3. This is not a mandatory case. You can take alpha and beta values whichever you like. For simplest, you can also take alpha is 1, beta is equals to 1. Then also you will get, but I am getting a doubt. More than one option may give same answers. It will be tough to identify the answer. Okay. That's why alpha cube, 2 cube, 3 cube by 2 power minus 2 plus 3 power minus 2. 8 plus 27 by 1 by 4 plus 1 by 9. This is 35 by 9 plus 4, 13, 36 goes to numerator. Okay, no more cancellation. 35 into 36, 35 into 36, 36 5s 180, 18 left, 36 3s 108, 18, 126, 1260 by 13 is question value. Now let us simplify options. Option 1, c square by a square, c square will be 36 by 1. This is not correct. Option 2, 3abc, 3 into 1 into minus 5 into 6 minus b cube 216 by a square c 1 into 6. This is minus 15 into 6 minus 90, minus 90 minus 216, see, we get negative. This is not our answer. Next, 3abc, sorry, denominator a square c. Next, 3abc minus b cube by c cube. ఒకసారి ఆఫ్ చేయమా, ఆఫ్ చేయి, పాజ్ కొట్టు. See, let's move on to question number 2. If alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, then alpha square plus beta square by alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2 is equals to. Do observe that. See, let's discuss this question in two models. Alpha power 2, alpha square plus beta square by alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2 is equals to alpha square plus beta square by 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. This is alpha square plus beta square by alpha square plus beta square into alpha beta whole square. Cancellation. We get alpha beta is a c by a. C by a whole square will be c square by a square. Okay. This is method 1. Let us discuss same question without using the formula. Method 2. See, let us assume, put alpha is equals to 1, beta is equals to 2. Now the quadratic equation will be x square minus alpha plus beta into x, that is 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. Compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. With that, we get a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 3, c is equals to 2. Keep aside. Now, let's move to question. Alpha square plus beta square by alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2 will be 1 square plus 2 square by 1 power minus 2 plus 2 power minus 2. This is 5 by 1 by 1 plus 1 by 4, which is 4. Okay. However, we get 4 plus 1 here in options. Okay, without using the formula, in options, where we are getting 4 from options, you do check. First option, c square by a square, c value 2, yes, 4 we are getting in first option. Simple, we won't get in any of the option. If we get in any one more option, we have to change our substitution. This substitution we need to change. So this is the way to find answer without using the formula. Next, question number 5. If alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, alpha plus delta comma beta plus delta are the roots of capital X square plus 2 capital Bx plus capital C is equals to 0, then b square minus ac by capital B square minus capital AC is equals to how much? This is our question. Okay, there is a conceptual method that is easy, we can solve it. Very clear, modulus of alpha minus beta is equals to modulus of alpha plus delta minus of beta plus delta. Modulus of alpha minus beta stands for difference of the roots. Difference of the roots of first equation will be b square, means 4b square minus 4ac by modulus a. Right side, of course, delta delta gets cancelled, it is also equals to modulus alpha minus beta. That's why right side it is difference of second quadratic equation, 4 capital B square minus 4 capital AC by modulus capital A. 4 cancelled, squaring on both sides, B square minus AC by bringing this side capital B square minus capital AC is equals to A square by capital A square, small a square by capital A square. So this is our answer. Okay. See, question number 6. If alpha comma beta are the roots of x square plus 5x minus 4 is equals to 0, then the equation whose roots are alpha plus 2 by 3, beta plus 2 by 3 is. No need to find any roots. Directly we can answer to this question. That is put alpha plus 2 by 3. Put alpha plus 2 by 3 is equals to x. So alpha is equals to 3x minus 2. Because of alpha is a root of given equation, we get 3x minus 2 whole square. Substitute in this, 5 into 3x minus 2 minus 4 is equals to 0. 9x square minus 12x plus 15x plus 3x. Constant terms, 4 gets cancelled, minus 10 is equals to 0. 9x square plus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0 can be seen in third option. Okay, let's move on to next question. If one root of x square plus kx plus 12 is equals to 0, maybe the triple the other, then x is equals to. One root of this quadratic equation may be triple the other, then what is the value of k? Simple, no need to remember any of the formula. If you remember the formula m is to n concept related, you can use it. Okay, m is to n is equals to 1 is to 3. One root is triple the other, or 3 is to 1. Condition is mn b square is equals to m plus n whole square into ac. That is mn 1 into 3 into b square is k square, 1 plus 3 whole square into 1 into 12. Okay, 3 ones, 3 fours. K square is equals to, this is 16 into 4, 64. K is equals to plus or minus 8. Okay, or else you do observe that product of the roots is 12. Roots can be taken as 2 comma 6 because of one is triple the other. Whenever roots are 2 comma 6, 2 plus 6 will be minus b by a. K is equals to minus 8. Roots may be minus 2 comma minus 6 also. Minus 2 minus 6 is minus k, sum of the roots. K is equals to 8 also. So k is equals to either plus 8 or minus 8, or else remember this formula. Okay, next, the roots of x minus b into x minus c plus x minus c into x minus a plus x minus a into x minus b is equals to 0 are. First, let us simplify the given quadratic equation. X square, how many times we get? 3 times. Minus 2 times of a plus b plus c we get. Constant term ab plus bc plus ca is equals to 0. In order to find the nature of the roots, we have to calculate delta. Delta is b square minus 4ac. B is not this b. In standard quadratic equation b square is 4 times a plus b plus c whole square minus 4 into 3 into ab plus bc plus ca. 4 taken out common, inside a square plus b square plus c square, 2ab minus 3ab minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is 2 times 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. We can write 2 times inside a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. This is perfect square. Square quantity either 0 or positive. Either 0 or positive. Either 0 or positive. So if it is strictly greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. It is equals to 0, roots are real and equal. Strictly greater than 0, real and distinct. Equal to 0, real and equal. In both the natures, common is real. That's why answer is real. Okay. Let's move on to question number 9. If the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 are both positive and b less than 0, then which of the following is correct? Do observe that ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, roots are alpha beta. Alpha plus beta will be minus b by a. This is positive. Alpha greater than 0, beta greater than 0. This is positive, this is positive. 2 positive roots must be positive. 2 positive roots sum must be positive. 2 positive roots sum must be positive. This implies b by a is less than 0. Already given that b less than 0. See, fraction is negative only when denominator and numerator will have opposite signs. Already b is less than 0, therefore a greater than 0. And alpha greater than 0, beta greater than 0, such two positive roots product is also positive. C by a greater than 0 happens only when both have same signs. Both are positives or both are negatives. Already a is positive, that's why c is also positive. Now a greater than 0, c greater than 0, right answer. Okay. Next, problem number 10. For the equation mod x square plus mod x minus 6 is equals to 0, the roots are. Do observe that we know very well that mod x is equals to x when x greater than 0 or equal to 0. Mod x is equals to minus x when x less than 0. That's why in case of x greater than 0, equation changes to mod x will come out as x square plus x minus 6 is equals to 0. Factorization x plus 3 into x minus 2 is equals to 0. Roots are x minus 3, x is equals to 2. This is ruled out case because of x greater than 0. Therefore, this is one of the root 2. Go to next case, x less than 0, mod x will come out as minus x. However, mod x square will be x square. But second term mod x is minus x. Minus 6 is equals to 0. Factorization, x minus 3 into x plus 2 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 3, x is equals to minus 2. X is equals to 3 ruled out case because of this reason. So this is correct. Now let us observe the options. One and only one real number. No, both are real only. Real with sum 1 but sum is 0. Real with sum 0. Yes, real with sum 0. 2 plus minus 2 we get 0. Okay. Real with sum 0 is right answer. Next, let's move on to another question. The solution set of x square minus 4x minus 21 greater than or equals to 0. X square minus 4x minus 21 greater than or equals to 0. Factorization x minus 7 into x plus 3 greater than or equals to 0. So in order to find sign scheme, use wavy curve method. This is minus 3, this is 7, right extreme plus minus plus. So we need to find greater than or equals to 0. That's why this is the region, this is the region. Therefore x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 3 closed because of greater than or equals to 0. Union closed 7 to infinity open. Okay. So answer is second option. So dear friends, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Srinivasa Academy. Thank you one and all.